My dear global friends, this is my next selected topic. The nature kills the man. Indeed, I selected this topic because we all have suffered from this matter. First, I would like to say you all in this moment, global community is facing for a wonderful, dangerous crisis around the world. Think a moment. The man was created by the nature. But today, a nature is going to kill the man. What, what is mean by that? It's mean that natural mechanisms which create created the man is going to kill the man. That is the true happening around the world. But unfortunately, man did not understand these true conditions which man is facing terribly. Yet, therefore, the nature has surrounded the man in this moment seriously to attack him, but still man did not realize this natural surrounding. This is not just surrounding. Indeed, the nature had bared up lot of brutal activities and brutal mentalities of the global man. Finally, the nature awoke against the man around the world. As a matter of fact, it is the crisis which brutal man is facing in this moment. Indeed, when the nature created the man, the nature taught a lessons. Did the man reach to the lessons which nature taught to the man? No, man did not listen, follow, think, accept the nature's lessons. Why did man do? What did man do? The man brutally divided the natural and undivided our earth, man and child. And man promoted brutal mechanism throughout our worlds, and man devastated our natural environment and earth, and man devastated the relations between man and nature, and man did reach for a natural plan, and finally man was the real enemy of the nature. So the nature created this coronavirus against man. Otherwise, this virus is not just awaking, just awaking against the man. So if man need to defeat this coronavirus, man should man should realize these true conditions. If man does not realize natural lessons, man will be unable to defeat this coronavirus, and the nature will decide to end human race from the earth. So in this moment, the man should decide to live under the nature, and man should decide to reach for natural plan of one world, one nation, one language, one economy. It is the natural plan and mechanism throughout our natural planets. Otherwise, man will be unable to bear up this crisis. Indeed, in this serious moment, global community should decide to reach for such natural and undivided mechanisms, and global community should realize world is having only one nations according to the nature and science. So man needs a one administrations and development for this our natural global nations. The man does not have man does not have countries, but the man has a world and universe. That is the true teaching of the natural, human, and collective facts. Indeed, man who divide earth in various parts as countries will be terrorists. So, as soon as possible, man should reach for natural facts. That will be the end of this crisis, and I hope the global community keep their attention to my natural visions to get over this natural crisis which man is facing in this moment very seriously. Thank you.